We're in the ruins of a church in Dundee, Quebec. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Sure it's not 1910? Dude, that's nuts. So now we're going to the abandoned house next door. Let's see what's there. Crap, there's a river.
But it looks like they went across that way. The only thing I'm worried about is that it's quite mild.
Let's take our chances.
Here we go.
I'm trying to cross a frozen river, but it's pretty mild out now. Oh, I don't know if this is smart. Ooh. Okay, I think we're safe. Look at that house. That's wicked.
My ears actually hurt.
I love how they're like twigs growing out of the floor into the house. That's rad. How did Randy go? Oh, there she is. I thought you wanted to come around on this side.
Yeah, but I had to go all the way around to get on that side. But I assume there's nothing on that side.
Nothing good, no. Dude, I'm out of room on my phone. I'd like to know the backstory of this place. Want to try to go upstairs?
We can try, but I don't know if we're going to be able to. I guess this was the bathroom.
Okay, cool. This was probably the living room. Nice. You don't want to go in the basement?
The basement through that little hole. I'm just worried about scrapping my jacket going back to the house.
Well, no, you can get through here.
Through there? Yeah.
Or up the stairs.
Fake blood on the walls?
Dude, that looks like an old rocking horse or something.
That's an old chair.
Oh yeah, an old rocking chair. That's actually what I meant to say.
I don't think it rocks though. Or maybe.
Fake blood.
Oh yeah, that looks like a rocking chair.
Cool. Okay, let's...
Oh yeah, that's...
I really wanted to make it up the stairs, but I just can't get up them. So I want to come back.
Yeah.
With some better supplies. Bring a flashlight. It's definitely not impossible to get up, but getting down might be a bit of a bitch. And
doesn't look like many people were up there though. There's like no
there's no graffiti or anything. So I'll be coming back so I can properly get up there at some point. So for now, that's it. Because I would really like to go up there.
I know, it looks so dope with that.
I mean, the backside here is all open. Like, oh no, there's no way to get up there. Here, let's See, that's the open window.
Yeah, I know. There's nobody out
I mean, except for the stairs.
there. Except for the stairs.
The half stairs on the inside.